Hi everyone, this is Laura from the ClickFix team, and I have for you today another shortcode tutorial. And in this video I want to show you how to use the year shortcode that can help you display the current year basically. And I think that this is very useful to use in your copyright notices. So that's the example that I'm going to show you today. So before you use any of our shortcodes, you need to make sure that you have everything set up so everything works smoothly. So I'm here in the ClickFix website, app.clickfix.io, and once you log in into your account, you are going to go to Start Here. So the first step is to go to the Start Here page, and the first thing to do is to add your domain. So if you click here, you will be able to add your domain. Remember that if you have a free ClickFix account, you can only add one domain. So once you have that set up, you can go back to the Start Here page. And the next step is to install the Chrome plugin. So if you click here, it will take you to the Chrome store where you can download the plugin and it will be added to your Chrome browser. So the next step is to copy the script that you have to add to the header code in all of your Ontraport pages where you want to use one of our shortcodes. So this goes above any of the shortcodes that you use. So you just come to your Ontraport page and you click on custom code, and it's gonna take you to the header code where you paste your script, and then you can start working on your shortcodes. And those are the 3 steps that you need to follow in order to use our shortcodes. Also in this page you can find the documentation page where you can find all of our shortcodes and the written instructions for all of them. So here are all the shortcodes, and you can scroll down to the shortcode that you want to check out. And also if you have any other questions or you need more help, you can click on the support button and you will get a ticket to solve any of your doubts. And with that being said, we can move on to the tutorial. So I have here one of our templates from the ClickFix library, and you can see here that we have a copyright notice from the year 2019. With this shortcode, the year will just change every time we have a new year. So the only thing that you have to do is to type the shortcode wherever you want to display it, and in this case is right here. So I'm just gonna type the year, and I'm also gonna type it in the other block. The other step that you have to do is to add the ClickFix import code to the header in your page. I was trying to test this shortcode a few minutes ago and I couldn't figure out why it wasn't working, and I remember that this page didn't have the import script, so I just pasted the script. So you just paste this to your page and now it should work perfectly. So if I publish, we should be able to see the current year, which is 2020. So here I have the published page, and as you can see, the year changed to 2020, and that's basically it. That's all you need. It's very simple, and that's it for this video, and I'll talk to you in the next one.